Hi, hello, good morning to you. This is Spiller The IT Headhunter again. Greetings from Balatonfüred and greetings from the pier, from the boat station, from Spicc Bistro bar, where I am having a nice tea and an orange juice at the moment, and later I will have lunch here as well. This is the place where I occasionally work from, so this is my favorite place in Balatonfüred, and this is a sunny day but a windy day, so I decided to work from here, and I made a short video presentation for you because GRP IT Recruitment has a new client which is a strategic partner, and I want to share some information and some details about the company, about the benefits that are given by the company, and about the salary ranges as well. So, first of all, the company is not a big company, but this is a Hungarian company that operates on an international level, and they operate in the so-called software consulting sector. We used to call this sector IT outsourcing, but nowadays this is more sophisticated, and they have several European and international clients, for example in Belgium, in the Netherlands and in Sweden as well. So I think they have more added value, so this is why we call it software consulting. But they work together with clients who operate in the banking and insurance sector, for instance. They also work together with different startup companies, and they also develop different finance solutions. So I think this is a good company. This is not a big company, but they are very flexible, and I think this is worth taking a look at the package that they offer. And one more thing before having a look at the package is that they operate in a 4-day working model, because these international teams also work only 4 days a week. Basically, you will have to work 4 days for the same salary. So I think this is quite good. What the company is looking for, first of all, is a DevOps engineer. To be more accurate, they are looking for a junior DevOps engineer and for a senior. So they are looking for a junior DevOps engineer and for a senior DevOps engineer too. And this person should be specialized either in Azure or in Amazon Web Services. He or she should also be familiar with Docker, Kubernetes, with the ELK stack, which is Elasticsearch, Logstash and Kibana, and CI/CD. And the job is coding, scripting, creating procedures, configuring and automating as usual. So what the company offers is a 3rd-day working week for the same salary. So this is not too bad, I think. And you will have flexible working hours. You can work remotely as well, but you can come to the offices of the company too, which is a modern environment, modern working environment. So they have a rooftop office on the bank of the Danube. And you will have constant attention from professional and technical leaders. You can have an internal career path, and you will have international projects. I think this is a great advantage. Well, you can have a competitive salary. This is really good, I think. So I'm not joking. This is really competitive, because you will have the salary according to your expertise and your experience. As I mentioned, you will have to work in a 4-day working model. Okay, and let's talk about the salary ranges as well. So for the junior DevOps engineer, the company offers gross 1.2 to 1.4 million Hungarian forints per month. And for the senior DevOps engineer, the company offers 1.4 to 1.7 million Hungarian forints per month. And of course, this is a gross value. So as you can see, this is a good salary, but if you are more experienced than a junior and a senior, so you are quite, let's say, experienced, then you can ask for more as well. So don't be shy, just call me if you are interested in this job, and we can have a short discussion about the realistic and available salaries. And of course, if you fulfill these requirements, then we can have a short telephone interview which will not take longer than 20 minutes. And if you pass that short interview with me, which is usually an English-speaking interview, then I will send your application to the company, to the technical leaders, who will have a look at your CV and my recommendation. And if they want you and if they like you, we can organize you a 2nd round technical interview online, usually on Teams. You know, if you fulfill all the requirements and if you are a good match, you are a good fit for the role and for the company, then an offer is prepared for you very quickly. So as you can see, the selection process is quite smooth and quite easy and quite quick. So if you fulfill the requirements, then a general rate is quickly offered for you. So I think this is a very good and flexible opportunity for you. So I think this is all I wanted to share with you for the moment. But as I mentioned, if you have some more questions, then you can call me, and I will soon come back with some more information about some new IT recruitment projects, about some new IT positions. Keep watching my video blog, my videos on different channels such as YouTube, LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram, and on WordPress, where I do have a blog. And you can also listen to the voice of these job descriptions on Anchor.fm, for example, on a podcast format. So thank you very much for your attention, and goodbye. Bye bye.